Okay, so you've had a new parking lot installed. You've had a new parking lot installed, and this is brand new asphalt. This is a core example from new asphalt, brand new. As you can see, it's nice and tight. It's almost like a solid sheet across the top. You have a very few, it's very, very tight formation. Now, as soon as this is laid, the glue, which is the AC content in the asphalt, has asphaltenes and maltenes in it. The asphaltenes stay hard as a lead pencil. The maltenes is what evaporates out of the pavement. And when you get to the 3 and 4 and 5 year mark, come over here, this is what you end up with when it's evaporated out, especially out of the surface, because if you look at the side core of this, it doesn't look faded out because the elements haven't got to it. It still looks dark and whatnot. But this is the area we're concerned about. The top 3/8 to a ½ inch is the surface. This is very rough and porous because all the fines, when I say fines, it's very fine aggregates. And I say it fine, just imagine a bunch of these in there, which made it look like this. Now these are gone. These fine aggregates out of the pavement are gone. And you end up with this rough surface, and you see big aggregates left. Very few fine aggregates are left in here. So my point is, what do we do to bring my pavement back to get as close as this brand new core example as I can get? Now, everybody knows that traditional seal coats are out there, and they've been using them for years and years and years. But I have found that people don't know all the products that are out there. So they just go with a guy, hey, we're just getting a seal coated. What you don't know is it's a water-based seal coat. And most of the times they're using your water to mix in their sealer, and they're charging you for it. And it has to have 2 coats put on it. So if your pavement is dry and brittle like this, why would you put a surface sealer on here that does nothing but lay on top, pretty much like spray paint or painting with a brush, and it just lays here on top? When you put a Rejuvenator here and you pour it on, you can automatically start seeing it penetrate into the surface. And we're going to do that in today's video. I'm going to pour these out side by side, as you can see and watch as I talk, what happens to each one and what it does in time. And I'm not even going to touch them. This would be done with our computerized spray machine. And this side would do with a wand or a squeegee machine in the field where people and contractors work. That's how they generally spray water-based. It would be with a spray wand, 2 or 3 guys holding a hose, and they put 2 coats on. They have to let the first coat dry and come back and put another coat on. Anyway, so we're going to pour Rejuvenator here. We're going to pour a water-based sealer here. And you guys can watch as we talk here and explain what's going on, what happens to them both. And I tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to actually pour the water-based asphalt sealer on first. That way it has actually more time to try to penetrate than this does. So we're going to go ahead and do that now. We're going to pour a sample right up here close so you can see it. Now that is a water-based coal tar sealer, and it's kind of gray in color. Now they put additives in it. The additives have already been put in the sealer. It came in a bucket. And the same thing you'll get at the plants. You have to put your own sand and a hardener and whatnot in it. Where the Rejuvenator, when we put it down, you'll see that it doesn't need any of that. This is a water-based product. The one I'm getting ready to put on the other side will be a solvent-based with oils in it, and we're going to penetrate the pavement. Now, as you can see, it's just laying on top. It's not doing nothing but just laying there. And we're going to give it a little more time. Give you some angles on the video, because you can see it's not penetrating. It's just laying on top. And that's what it's going to do. Now you will see around the edges, it'll get a little bit of different color because that's the water going around the edge of the pavement there. Now we're going to come over here. We're going to do a little sample of Rejuvenator right here. About the same amount. And you watch this do its magic. You see how it's spreading out? Now it's designed to go into the blacktop at least 3/8 of an inch. That's the whole point of it. Now we're going to be putting the oils back into the pavement that belong in it and putting the multines back in it with this process. And it'll look like new asphalt again. Just minus your fine aggregates that you've already lost. That's why we try to get people to treat it before it gets to the point where the aggregates are gone. But a lot of people, they don't know until you educate them on it. And you watch this product, what it does. It's just spreading out and it's going into the pavement. This is beautiful, folks. You got a parking lot that's 4 or 5 years old. Do this with a computerized machine. It doesn't get any better. It'll stay nice and jet black if that's what you're worried about. And you'll reverse the age of the pavement. It's still spreading. It's going all over these little veins and pores. Now, I just poured this on here. Now, the machine, it's got 150 PSI. And the machine nozzles are about 3 inches off the surface of the pavement. And you're pretty much injecting the pavement or how much it will consume. And like I said, you can pour gas or anything on it. Now, if you go over here to this one, it's still laying on top. It's done nothing but lay there. And that's all it's done. And this will have to dry, and then you'll have to put another coat on it. This is what builds up in time. Now we're going to move over. I'm going to show you a sample that was already done a week ago and what it's going to look like. If you come over here, this is your Rejuvenator after a week of application. And this will be your coal tar water-based sealers after a week. Now within 3 years, you'll need to seal it again. Where you drive, it wears off. Where you do not drive, it builds up and stays there. And this will be your after effect when you keep seal coating your lot. It's just putting another coat on, and it just gets thick and stays on there. And what happens is this stuff will break, chips. So when the asphalt flexes, expands and contract, that's what you're going to end up with, a hairline crack, and it's going to keep hairline cracking. Then you'll say, my asphalt's cracking, I need to do something with it. They'll put another coat of seal coat on there. Worst thing you can do. Because asphalt water-based sealer, surface sealers is no more than this right here. Everybody knows what this is. This is just paint. Same principle. It just cracks. There's no flexibility in it at all. So we'll come back over here. You see the water-based sealer still laying there. It's done nothing at all. Now we poured those out. We didn't use a machine or anything. If you come over on this side, this is the Asphalt Fusion Rejuvenator right here. And I can't stress enough how important it is. I know we sell this and we apply it, but I don't do seal coat surface sealers anymore because I don't believe in them. You're actually doing the customer a disservice. Now, if you do have seal coat on your parking lot, you need at least 80% of it worn off before you put a Rejuvenator on, because this is a surface sealer. And if you got a bunch of this on your parking lot and you want Rejuvenator on top of it, the Rejuvenator can't penetrate because this is blocking it. So there's no point in it. You gotta let it wear off, and it's gotta be, you want it nice and hot out when you do it. And I'm going to attach some videos. You'll see what happens when you add this to a parking lot in 5 or 6 years, I'll put the video on this side. And when you put this on a parking lot in 5 or 6 years and you keep doing it, watch this video over here and you'll see that as well. I hope I've done well here. I hope I didn't bore you to death, but proof is usually in the pudding when you do it live. You see this and you see this. It's just, there's no comparison. You tell me in the comments, which one would you rather have? This coal tar water-based sealer or the Asphalt Fusion Rejuvenator? Folks, I want to thank you all for watching, and I hope you enjoy this video and get something out of it. And if you want to see any more content similar to this or something better, let us know in the comments so we can give you that information. And don't forget to check us out online, asphaltfusion.com. And if you're interested in being a contractor applying Asphalt Fusion Rejuvenator, go to asphaltfusion.com and go to the Contractors Corner tab and click on that. And you can get an order. You can price an order for a Rejuvenator or a machine. And also, we carry QPR hot poured crack sealer now. So if you're a contractor and you want that, we can ship that to you anywhere you want it. I want to thank you all for watching, and I hope this was very helpful. Enjoy your day. Thank you.